guys, so today I'm doing a review of the SUMM pork shiitake gyozas, and as you can see, my cat really wants it too, so we're gonna do this. So here's the front, fully cooked. These are I got these at Costco. They're on sale, so that's all right. Hold on, buddy, hold on. I know you want some too. Okay, hold on here. So there's the ingredients, guys. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. Alright, so here's their nutrient panel. Let's open this up. Alright, so to check it out, this is what they look like. Okay, so we're going to cook them up and then we'll do the taste test. So it does come with sauces. It's a sesame seed sauce. That's the same one they had for the other one. The one that was chicken ginger. This is the one I did a review of a while back. You guys can watch that video there. Alright, let's cook this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, it's all done. Here are those shiitake dumplings. Now, the aroma of the shiitakes really come through. I could smell it when I was making it. And we're going to do a quick taste test. They're a little sticky. Alright, there we go. This is just the ginger dressing there. I'll dip a little bit there. Okay. It's not bad. It is more juicier because they use pork. And if you look there, the shiitake is like very minuscule. They just use it more for like aroma. You don't really get like big chunks, but it's there. You can taste it, but it's minor. But it tastes like a gyoza, and it's not like a cabbage and type of gyoza that has it in there. It's just more pork and maybe some shiitake in there. It's not bad. If you have any questions, comments, guys, as well, subscribe to the channel.